So good evening, and this is Sriram and I have Krishna with me here today. So this is not one of our regular episodes, guys. So today we're here to make an announcement, I think, because so this is basically going to be that we are going to be taking a short break, I think, because we kind of need it also because we've been kind of encountering a lot of problems off late. Because we've kind of lost a little bit of our passion also. I think since we've been kind of like working too hard for like the past 2 or 3 months, I think we're kind of running out of content ideas also because I think each and every episode is actually very taxing and kind of pretty hard to do actually because coming up with kind of new ideas or presenting our kind of opinions on is kind of pretty difficult because obviously we don't have this very kind of this content creation kind of a background because if you would have had some kind of YouTube background we could do it better because since we're kind of completely new to this or we're newbies to this business, so it's pretty difficult to actually kind of come up with content every day. So I think we also do need this break, and also because content creation is actually hard. I think people who don't actually have any idea as to how content creation is, I think it is very difficult because coming up with new ideas every day and kind of implementing it and making it pretty look good for the audience also, because obviously as you start off anything you kind of want to do it on your own, you kind of have this idea in mind, but sometimes the audience does not like it or probably does not get received well, so you kind of have to adapt yourself to the audience suitability, and we've also done that. And I think we've done around 22 episodes so far. I think we do definitely need a break, I think, because I think this break we'll probably come back better, and we'll be coming back by next month first week, so we're taking 2 weeks off. And mostly in these 2 weeks gap we'll probably be discussing about various ideas, various new types of concepts to implement new formats of shows. Obviously we want to keep increasing the standard. We've also gone to kind of improve our presentation also, because I know our presentation is not up to the mark, because obviously it's pretty difficult for us to come up with new content every day. So yeah, Krishna, do you have anything to add on to that?
Yeah, taking a break at a necessary time is very important, as we all know that we have made since 20 episodes so far, and we faced many struggles in making those episodes, and we had various formats, but implementing it in the right time is was a very big difficult task to pull out, and this break is a very much needed break for us. So we will come up with a good content or like good presentation, so our episodes will actually be more good, I think, in presentation in the after this break. So in this 20 episodes, what I felt was like it was very good at the starting. It was it was very enjoyable to make each and every episode, but
Yeah.
after each and every episode, so after 10 or 15 episodes, we lost the passion to make episodes. So we lost the passion to record, so on a regular basis we took many breaks also. As you all know, we have left many Tuesday or Sunday episodes due to
Yeah.
this problem mainly. So this break is actually very much needed break for us. So hope we all we would come up with a very good content and presentation after this break.
Yeah, definitely. As Krishna pointed out, there's definitely been a struggle actually in these last probably 5 to 6 episodes, because obviously coming up with new ideas and probably executing part is actually the most difficult thing, because even though you've kind of done around 22 episodes as of right now, it is still very difficult to kind of actually sit down and record, because obviously this stuff is all very new to us. Obviously we have improved a lot, I think, considering the very first episode which we did, the India vs COVID-19. I think we also remember it very well because we had to do a lot of takes repeatedly to actually get it right. But obviously in our last episodes or last few episodes we probably do it in the first or second attempt. So I think in that we definitely had progress, I think we would not deny that, but obviously we have a lot more things to improve. Obviously we don't have sure original authenticity to the actual podcast. We just kind of like are still kind of robotic in voices. I'm pretty aware of that. I have heard many people say that also. And also we don't have much of these marketing skills also, especially because obviously our YouTube views also not very good, and Spotify is the only source where people actually listen to it. And probably feedback would be much more appreciated for anyone listening to it, because obviously I think we actually don't have any idea whether what we're doing is correct or wrong without the proper kind of feedback. So I would appreciate anyone who is listening to this kind of like at least drop a comment, or we've also given our personal IGs in our YouTube descriptions also, so you could probably DM us also if you don't want to comment it, because I kind of see most people kind of hesitant to comment on YouTube comments especially. So you could even DM us directly or DM our Instagram handle also. So yeah, I think we'll be definitely back by next month, guys. Also, and we'll be back better. Also, we'll have that passion and fire again, and better content, obviously. So yeah, that was this kind of this announcement. I guess it is not an episode. So yeah, we'll see you probably after 2 weeks, guys. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.